Because issues in our I was following up on a tall relatives moderated.
Recommendations were made on how to cope with this problem of unrest in our schools, and so far about 15 schools have closed. They have closed so that the learners could be sent home for a week and come with their parents, because some of these institutions are actually experiencing some some commotions, and also learners who are agitating. They wanted to go home because of the mid-term holiday, and so to prevent any unrest or a problem of property destruction within the schools, the Board of Management decided to send the learners home. We had only one incident in one school that where a dormitory was banned. DCI are still undertaking investigation. So the findings of the investigation maybe in the next 2 days will be out.
Changamoto ambazo tuko nazo zinaonekana wazi, kila mtu anaona, kwa sababu sheria zetu za nchi, kwa maoni yangu, ni kwamba hazikubaliani nidhamu kwa watoto kupitia kiboko.